Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most exciting and transformative topics of our time, the impact of artificial intelligence on the future of education. As AI continues to advance, it is revolutionizing how we learn, teach, and interact with knowledge. From personalized learning experiences to innovative tools, AI is reshaping the educational landscape. Join me as we explore the benefits, challenges, and potential of AI in shaping the future of education. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated on the latest trends in tech and education. Number 5. Global learning opportunities. AI can revolutionize global education by overcoming geographical barriers and providing equal learning opportunities for students around the world. With AI-driven tools and platforms, remote learning is more accessible than ever. Students from rural or underdeveloped areas, or those unable to attend traditional schools, can engage with high-quality educational content online. AI can facilitate real-time translations, enabling students from different linguistic backgrounds to learn in their preferred language, fostering inclusivity. Additionally, AI enables the creation of virtual classrooms that connect students and teachers from anywhere, breaking the traditional classroom's boundaries. This provides access to a wider variety of educators and learning materials, which might not have been possible locally. As AI continues to evolve, it can help bridge educational gaps, especially in areas with limited resources, promoting a more globalized, connected approach to learning. This global access to education empowers individuals, promoting lifelong learning and helping students reach their full potential, regardless of where they live. Number 4. Enhanced data analysis. AI can significantly improve the way educators assess student performance. By collecting and analyzing large sets of data, AI can identify patterns in how students learn and progress. This can include monitoring quiz results, assignment submissions, or engagement levels in class. The insights generated from this data allow educators to recognize students who may need extra help or identify areas where the class as a whole is struggling. AI can also offer personalized feedback for students based on their unique learning behaviors, which can guide them toward better study habits or resources. This data-driven approach enables educators to intervene proactively, adjusting teaching methods or materials to better suit the needs of the class. Furthermore, AI tools can predict future academic performance, helping teachers provide timely support and better prepare students for upcoming challenges. This shift towards data-driven decision-making helps foster a more effective and efficient educational environment for both students and teachers. Number 3. Improved accessibility. AI-powered tools are transforming the accessibility of education, particularly for students with disabilities. Through adaptive learning technologies, AI can provide personalized support, enabling students to learn at their own pace and in ways that suit their individual needs. For example, speech recognition software helps students with dyslexia or other reading difficulties by converting spoken words into text, while text-to-speech tools can assist students with visual impairments by reading out written content. AI can also use natural language processing to simplify complex texts, making learning more inclusive. Additionally, AI-based applications can provide real-time translation and sign language recognition, breaking down communication barriers for students with hearing impairments. These tools not only make learning more accessible, but also ensure that students with disabilities have the opportunity to engage with educational content on an equal footing with their peers. As AI continues to evolve, its role in creating an inclusive, barrier-free learning environment will become even more critical. Number 2. Automation of administrative tasks. AI can significantly reduce the burden of administrative tasks in education. Grading, scheduling, and managing student records are time-consuming activities that often take valuable time away from educators' core role of teaching. By implementing AI-powered tools, educational institutions can automate repetitive tasks, such as grading assignments and exams, managing attendance, and organizing course schedules. This automation allows educators to focus on more critical areas like lesson planning, student engagement, and personalized support. AI systems can also streamline communication between teachers, students, and parents, ensuring that everyone stays updated on progress and upcoming deadlines. Additionally, AI can help in managing large amounts of student data efficiently. By processing this data faster than humans, AI provides teachers with detailed insights into student performance, enabling them to adapt teaching methods more effectively. In essence, AI frees up teachers' time, improving overall efficiency and creating a more productive learning environment. Number 1. Personalized learning. AI is revolutionizing personalized learning by adapting educational content to suit each student's unique needs. With AI-powered platforms, students can receive customized lessons that align with their learning style, pace, and interests. For example, an AI system can analyze a student's progress, identifying areas where they excel and where they need improvement. Based on this data, it adjusts the difficulty of assignments or offers additional resources to support struggling learners. This approach not only increases engagement by providing relevant content, but also promotes self-paced learning, allowing students to move ahead when they're ready. AI can offer targeted interventions, ensuring that no student is left behind due to a one-size-fits-all curriculum. Additionally, it provides teachers with valuable insights into individual student progress, helping them tailor their teaching methods for maximum impact. By empowering students to take charge of their learning, AI fosters a more personalized and efficient educational experience. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into how AI is shaping the future of education. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that AI will play a crucial role in revolutionizing how we learn and teach, whether it's through personalized learning or automating administrative tasks. The potential is vast. Remember, staying informed is key to embracing these changes. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated on more exciting topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on the future of education.